Introduction. In today's digital age, creating and selling digital products online has become an increasingly popular and lucrative business model. From ebooks and online courses to software and digital downloads, digital products offer a range of benefits, including low overhead costs, scalability, and the ability to sell to a global audience. In this article, we will provide a comprehensive guide to creating and selling digital products online, including strategies and techniques that can help you build a successful and profitable digital product business. Identify your niche and target audience. Identifying your niche and target audience is critical for creating and selling digital products that meet customer needs and preferences. Consider conducting market research or using customer feedback to identify a gap in the market or an area of customer demand that you can fill with your digital product. Additionally, consider defining your target audience, including their demographics, interests, and pain points, and use this information to inform your product development and marketing strategies. Develop your product idea. Developing your product idea is the next step in creating and selling digital products online. Consider brainstorming product ideas that align with your niche and target audience, and use this information to develop a product concept that meets customer needs and preferences. Additionally, consider using customer feedback or conducting beta testing to refine and improve your product idea over time. And use this feedback to develop a product that provides maximum value to customers. Create your digital product. Creating your digital product is the next step in the process of creating and selling digital products online. Consider using a range of tools and software to create your product, including software development tools, design software, and content creation tools. Additionally, consider investing in quality control and testing to ensure that your product meets customer expectations and provides a positive user experience. Set up your sales platform. Setting up your sales platform is critical for selling digital products online. Consider using a range of sales platforms and channels to reach and engage your target audience, including your website, social media channels, and third-party marketplaces such as Amazon or Etsy. Additionally, consider using effective marketing and advertising strategies to promote your product and reach potential customers, including email marketing, social media advertising, and influencer marketing. Optimize your product listing and pricing. Optimizing your product listing and pricing is essential for selling digital products online. Consider using effective product descriptions, images, and pricing strategies to showcase your product and attract potential customers. Additionally, consider offering discounts, promotions, or bundles to incentivize customers to purchase your product. And use this pricing strategy to build customer loyalty and repeat business over time. Provide exceptional customer support. Providing exceptional customer support is critical for building a successful and profitable digital product business. Consider investing in training and development for your customer support team, and use customer feedback and complaints to identify areas for improvement. Additionally, consider offering personalized service and support to customers, and use this opportunity to build relationships and loyalty that can support long-term growth and profitability. Continuously improving and innovating is essential for building a successful and profitable digital product business that can adapt to changing customer needs and market trends. Consider investing in research and development, testing new products or features, and exploring new marketing or advertising strategies to stay ahead of the competition and build a stronger and more profitable business over time. Additionally, consider using customer feedback and insights to inform your innovation and improvement efforts. And use this information to develop a comprehensive and effective business strategy that can support long-term growth and profitability. Leverage social media.